Is the cruise drink package actually worth it? It's one of the biggest questions every cruiser wrestles with. But the truth is, only you can answer that question for you. So today, let's take the guesswork out and talk about exactly what you need to consider in order to figure out your own break-even point. First of all, know your cruise style. If you're relatively new to cruising, you can still do this exercise. Just be mindful that the beverages you consume and how much you consume on a cruise is likely to be different than what you do on land. On a cruise, you're on vacation. You're outside your daily routine. You're eating differently. You may be traveling with others that can influence what and how much you drink. You may even make different beverage choices depending on the location or weather of your cruise. So think about the difference between a Caribbean cruise where it's very hot and you're more likely to drink a lot of water, and an Alaskan cruise where you might be more prone to drink hot chocolate. Second, know what's included in your drink package. You can do this by going to your cruise line's website or app where you'll find a list of beverage packages and their prices. You'll also likely be able to find the bars and lounges on board and the menus for them, which would list prices for your preferred drinks. Third, get calculating. You can be general about it by coming up with a list of drinks that you typically drink on any typical cruise day, and then looking up the prices for those drinks and totaling them up. Be sure to do this per person and add the 20% automatic gratuity. You can then take that total and compare it to the cost of the drink package you're considering. You can also get specific about it. You can note the difference in your drink behavior on port days versus sea days. Here is an example of a 7-day cruise that lists drinks per day per category. Once you have your totals for the length of your cruise, divide by the number of days to get your daily average. Multiply the daily average by the cost of each drink. Again, do this per person, and remember to add that 20% automatic gratuity. You now have an expected beverage cost per day that you can easily compare to the beverage package you're considering. It's a good predictor of whether you will break even by getting the drink package, or whether it would be better for you to sign for anything you want to drink that's not included in your cruise fare. Now it's your turn. If this breakdown saved you from making a costly cruise mistake, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more great cruise content in the future. I've also put my handy dandy little Excel sheet below to help you do your beverage math. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cruising. Bye.